Hey friends, welcome back to Kimmy's Kitchen and more. I hope you guys are having a wonderful weekend and a great Sunday. I am on here to do a review. A company reached out to me and they're sponsoring today's video. I want to thank LMJP for reaching out to me again. You may have seen, and I will link it down below in case you have not, when I did a video on the pet laundry detergent. Now, they have recently sent me, as you can see, I used it. The clothes are going downstairs right now, or the shoes actually. I've already done the clothes and I'm excited for you guys to see the results of that and see how they turned out, whether I was impressed or I was like, what's going on here? So stay to the end for that. And I currently have a pair of shoes in the wash to see how they will whiten around the edges and brighten the color of the shoes. So I am going to be excited to see those results, and you guys will see them with me as well. Now, this is an Enzyme, a laundry booster that they sent me. You can use it with your own detergent. It is fragrance free, which is really great, and I know that's important for a lot of people. It's non-toxic, definitely important. No animal testing, which is definitely important to me. It is a 32 ounce, so it gives you, it's 2 pounds, and it gives you 65 loads total. Like I said, it's compatible with your laundry detergent, with all detergents. It says that it is a unique concentrated formula, and it works in cold water as well as hot water, warm water. It says it boosts color, vibrancy, and brightens whites. Like I said, stay tuned to the end for that. Removes stubborn stains and odors. Now, I can say for this one, if you guys, like I said, if you didn't see that video, go watch it down below. Our dogs, one in particular, had a strong liking, possibly disliking, to a certain rug that we had in the kitchen, where if it was a rainy day, y'all know when it's a rainy day, some dogs just don't like to go outside at all. Well, our mini dachshunds do not at all. Ruby has gotten better. Lily is still training. She is a little over a year and a half. Daisy, she's great about going out. So anyways, Lily has a strong liking, that I said liking, possibly disliking, to this one particular rug in the kitchen. And every chance she'd get, she would go pee on it, throw it in the wash machine, put it back out. Would do it again. Ever since I washed those rugs in this, and you guys, like I said, it's in that video where I washed them. Ever since I washed it, those enzymes in this powder detergent has pulled that smell completely out, to where she no longer does that. None of the fur babies, none of my dogs have done that. So I was very, very impressed, and actually they sent me another bag when they sent me this one, and I am so happy for that, because I can wash their blankets in it, their towels when we dry them off, when we bathe them. You guys may have seen a video I did where Daisy decided, after we had her in the pool on their little float, she went and found the one spot in the yard and had just gotten completely in the dirt and just was filthy. So I had to wash that towel, of course. After I washed her, I had to, wash that towel just to get that smell and everything out. So we love our fur babies, but there are smells from them, unfortunately. And I definitely recommend this. And stay tuned, guys. You're gonna see the video for this, so stay with me. And thank you, LMJP, again for sending me these products and for reaching out to me and sending me an extra one of this. I greatly appreciate it. And so stay with me, friends. Okay, friends, so I've got the whites in here. These shorts I haven't even worn all summer, but I would like to wear them because I reviewed that pink and white shirt that I shared with you guys, that dress shirt from the brand Mega Pop, and I would like to wear those white shorts with it. So I have some items in here. I just would like to get the whites brighter, as you can see. So I'll be using the Universe Mark, which is my laundry detergent, along with this Enzyme laundry booster that I told you guys about. So stay with me and I'll show you guys what the whites look like if they are any brighter. Okay friends, I can definitely see that these shorts are a lot whiter. I had these shorts in my drawer all summer, and they were very dull when I pulled them out. And I went to pull them out before, and they were so dull, and I just didn't bother with them because I was in a hurry that day and didn't want to throw them on. But now I have that pink and white shirt that I'm so excited to wear with these shorts. And so I wanted to get them super bright and white, and didn't want, because it's a brand new shirt, it's pink and white. And it's obviously a bright white, so I did not want to have dull shorts to go with that. So I am very happy with these results. Oh, wow, and you can definitely see where the underarms are much brighter in this. I'm very happy, very happy with how white and bright these whites are coming out. Comment down below and let me know if you guys have ever used this or if you plan to use it. And this dish towel was badly stained because I had dried it with a like one of my silver cookie pans, and the material was like rubbing off, the gray was like rubbing off onto this, and this was really badly stained, but as you can see, it brought all of that out. So yeah, definitely big thumbs up for the this Enzyme booster. Very happy with the results. And I think this may be actually my most favorite result altogether. I do have some little fuzzies that I need to take my lint roller and get off. But y'all, this was looking so dingy and almost yellow looking from just hanging up in the closet. Hardly used it last fall and winter. And just sometimes when I'm around the house and the air conditioning's on, I like to just throw a little sweater on. And y'all, the difference is night and day. So I am very pleasantly surprised. Like I said, I just need to get the little fuzzies off. But the white and bright is unbelievable. I am very happy with this. Okay, friends, so we got one last test for y'all. These are my very old Skechers. I thought I'd put them in and see how well this booster does on bringing out the color and just kind of whitening a little bit. I mean, I'm talking, y'all, I've had these for years. Like, I have worn the treads right off of them. I used to walk. My son has had his house for over a year now, and when he still lived at home before he bought his house, we would walk all the time. And now I mainly walk or jog actually on my treadmill indoors. But I've had these shoes forever, y'all. I mean, years. Okay, I'm back, y'all. So yeah, I just want to clean them up a bit. I know that the treads are gone, and I know they are looking dingy, but I'm hoping that this will bring back some color and just brighten them up, because they are so super comfortable, and I'm just not ready to get new ones. I'm not ready to invest in a new pair yet for my walking and jogging, because they are so comfortable. Skechers are super comfortable. So let's see how well this booster works on whitening and brightening these. So stay with me. Okay, friends, so moment of truth. Let's take a look. All right. Well, the white, it did get some of the white off, so that's really good, because we're talking like 8 years worth of grime on those shoes on the tread here, or the soles here at the side. But it definitely brought out the colors. Look how much brighter these shoes are. So it definitely brightens them for sure. That looks really good. Let me look at the other one. Yes, much brighter. Look at the colors. You can actually see the colors now, where before it was just so dirty and faded looking. So definitely brought them out. And I'll probably just take a cloth and just wipe off the excess there, but it did make the tread around the sides, or the soles around the sides, a lot whiter, and it definitely brought out the colors in these Skechers. So very nice, very nice. And even the black is shining. That's nice. I'm impressed, y'all. What do y'all think? Comment down below. Like I said, let me know if you've ever used this product and what you thought of it. And thank you so much, LMJP, for reaching out to me. I am certainly going to be using both of these products, the booster as well as the pet laundry detergent. So thank you all so much. Hope y'all enjoyed. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up. And thank y'all for watching. And until next time, bye y'all.